Obama did the exact same thing. He wanted us to verify. So healthcare.gov crashed 2 hours after it debuted in 2013, including 60-hour outages that first month. It was so bad, the HHS secretary at the time stepped down. Now, after that debacle, presidents have scheduled regular maintenance periods for IT teams to come in and fix the bugs, and for healthcare agents and brokers to plan. So our Verify researchers got data straight from a Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services spokesperson. This year, the ACA website is going to be down on 5 Sundays from midnight until noon for a total of 60 hours. Now, the Trump administration had the same plan last year, but the site ended up only being down a little over 21 hours. Now, in 2016, under the Obama administration, the website was down for 5 Sundays and a total of 53.5 hours. So we can verify, yeah, both President Trump and Obama temporarily shut down the ACA website during open enrollment. We want you to enroll with us anytime. Our Verify team is here to help and answer your questions. I'm on Facebook and Twitter at Adam Longo TV. Also, email the whole team, verify@WUSA9.com.
Well, it was gorgeous today, but you say yellow weather alert tomorrow?
It'll still be warm. We're still talking 70s, so that's kind of
half of a deal.
That's kind of a silver lining. I mean, what a gorgeous start to November. 76 was the high today. Wow. We're advertised like 63, 64, so we stole one. Okay, let's talk about rainfall the next 48 hours. Most of this falls Friday night. RPM's going hog wild. 2 inches, not so sure about that, but over an inch for the NAM. Almost an inch for the GFS and over an inch for the European model. So the good news, again, most of it will fall tomorrow evening through early Saturday morning. Bad news, though, for the evening commute tomorrow. And here's what I mean. 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, anywhere from 1 to 2 tenths across the metro area. Nothing heavy in the morning, enough to wet the roads for many. And we get into the 6 o'clock hour on Friday, and we're looking at, maybe 4 tenths. But by 6 a.m. on Saturday, this is about 95% of what's going to fall. Mostly south and east of town, well over an inch, around an inch, D.C., north and west. We take you into Saturday morning, notice the numbers don't change much. So between 6 a.m. and 10 a.m. on Saturday, yeah, a couple showers left over, but not that much more rain will add up. So what does that mean? Well, yellow weather alert tomorrow for showers and some thunderstorms in the evening. The morning showers on Saturday probably end between 7 o'clock and 9 o'clock from west to east, and then breezy and cool. Pretty good day. Beautiful on Sunday for the game and any other outdoor activities you might want to do. Maybe even raking leaves. It's about that time. All right, what are the impacts for our yellow weather alert? Well, flooding remains low. Wet commutes, that remains high. Down trees will keep that low. Hiking and biking and doing stuff outdoors is going to be high. It's going to be hard to find a window of opportunity. The best chance tomorrow to do something outdoors would be early in the morning until mid-afternoon. And here's what I mean by that. So this is light activity. Look at the temps, 69 at 6 o'clock in the morning, 67 in Frederick and 68 in Fredericksburg. Those are pretty uniform temps for early November. Notice a break. By 8:30, a couple showers just east of I-81, but everybody else just cloudy and mild. And then by lunchtime, not that much going on. We're already 71 downtown despite the clouds. And then by 6 o'clock, boom. Here comes the wave of moisture. And this is some pretty good rain. Notice the yellows and the orange, so that's moderate to heavy. And notice if you were with us earlier this evening, it's actually a little further to the west, more so than it was earlier. It was on into southern Maryland. But southern Maryland, you get your lion's share as we go through tomorrow night about 10 o'clock. You'll be rocking and rolling big time. So yellow weather alert tomorrow. We're looking at temperatures still in the 70s. 60 on Saturday, morning showers, and then 63 Sunday. Just fantastic for the burgundy and gold. Monday, clouds up quickly. More rain showers, maybe a thunderstorm, 65. Good news, bad news for Election Day, we're 75. But we have some showers developing late. A little cooler on Wednesday, and then cool but dry next Thursday.
It's been another big day in Maryland news.
I feel like there's going to be more days to come as this continues to unfold as far as in the Maryland football program. The next story we're going to talk about, someone is lying on the Maryland football team. There was a fight that happened. Who started it? Who didn't start it? We'll talk about it on the other side.
Seatbelt use is the law, but for some reason, people who buckle up in the front seat don't necessarily buckle up in the back. That's dangerous for everyone in the car. Unbuckled and Back, Friday.